You know when there is a tree in the kitchen when you go to show the house that this is not going to be a normal transaction. It wasn't originally with a tree in the kitchen, but we had a hurricane that came through. So we had set up the appointment to see the house, and the owner calls me and says, "There's a tree in the kitchen." And I'm like, okay, I know my client wanted a fixer, but a tree in the kitchen is pretty extreme. So this is a bit of a different transaction. We've actually had the house painted before the transaction closed because we had an insurance claim in the middle of a real estate closing. So that is why the house is already painted the color that my client wants. Originally, it was just a blah, beigey brown roof, like, ugh. So we are a little bit on the way on this project because we have a new roof, we have new gutters, and we have new paint. But oh my God, the inside of the house, that's where the real work is. Let me take you inside and show you. Goodbye. They say that first impressions are everything. And let me tell you, this house is making one heck of an impression. I'm trying really hard not to gag because the smell is so bad in here. I'm like, don't gag, don't gag, don't gag. That's gross. You'll gross everybody out. It smells like dog, it smells like smoke, it smells filthy. And I think as we walk around this house, you're gonna see that this house will live up to all of that. First impressions are everything. Okay, let me show you. We've got this really great stairwell, but this is going to eventually be knocked out and we're gonna have a new railing here. Then as we come up here, oh my God. Okay, so this room is mind-blowing, and not in like a good way, but like, it's bad, it's bad. So the first thing that we're gonna do is rip out all of the carpets. All of the carpet has to go. It's got dog urine all over it. It's filthy. It's truly disgusting. This room needs paint. This room needs new French doors. This room needs that wall knocked out to the kitchen so that it's all one space. But I will say that the best part about this house is that gorgeous ceiling, and that is why this house is my client's house. My client's daughter is in college right now studying design, and her biggest complaint about this house was the carpet shelf. Isn't that so pretty? Shouldn't we bring that back into style? I mean, that's kind of amazing, right? Carpet on the shelf. I mean, why didn't we think of that? The kitchen needs a coat of paint and it really needs to be opened up more. The plan is to eventually bump that out, replace this kitchen, and make it awesome. This breakfast room is full of light. It's beautiful. It's got all these gorgeous windows, and it looks right out onto this wooded lot. That is exactly why my client loves this house. The ceilings are smooth because there was a tree in the kitchen, and they were able to repair the ceiling and smooth it out. So in this room, there's no popcorn ceiling, but the rest of the house was not so lucky. Come on, let me show you over here. Hey, eyes over here. I know it's hard to tear your eyes away from this gorgeous design element, but it's going. It's going, going, gone. Green, no more. No little stickies.
All right, it's on.
I'm sorry. I can't stop dry heaving in this room. Okay, breathe through the mouth. It's hard to talk and breathe through your mouth. Okay, so this room is where they kept the dogs. I'm sorry, I can't. I need to leave the room. It's bad. God. Okay. The guest bathroom is not the worst thing in the house, and this might stay for a little while. Some of these renovations are not full renovations. Sometimes you move into your house and you can't get it all done at once. So you have to prioritize. This one just needs a really good coat of paint, and eventually she can switch out the faucets and hopefully maybe the vanity at some point, but little by little. But this one isn't so bad. The master bedroom is actually one of the best features of this house. It's got soaring ceilings, it's actually got hardwood floors. It just needs a really good coat of paint, maybe some new lighting and, you know, some sprucing up, but it's not so bad. The one thing that we have to fix is this door. I'm not even gonna open it because it took 3 of us the other day when we were doing our walkthrough to get it closed again. So this has to be completely replaced, and that's gonna be one of the top priorities. I'm voting for French doors, but we'll see what my client decides. Let me show you the master bathroom. Oh. Sorry, Kim, I broke your really nice. Who put the towel bar up here? Grown men will hit their heads on this. It's so weird, and I don't understand why there's a ceiling fan in the bathroom. Why is there a ceiling fan in the bathroom? It's so weird. But the thing that is awesome about this is that there is all this space. It's awesome. I mean, personally, I haven't figured this out. La 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 la. I'm gonna bathe my whole body at once. Or come here, you can stand there. A shower built for 2. It's still weird. It's weird. This is why my client bought this house. Almost a full acre on the golf course in Roswell. It's gorgeous. I think this needs some stain and some TLC too. I don't even want to show you guys the basement. I'm trying not to gag as I think about the basement, but come on, let me show you. Ooh, it's creepy. I'm not touching that. There's no way. Just kidding. It's a fuzzy. A very convincing fuzzy, if I do say so myself. Ugh. This house needs some love, and my client is just the person to give it all that love. She's amazing and wonderful and funny, and I can't wait to see what she does with this house. We're gonna keep updating you, show you as we go, and if you're ready for a reno too, let us know. See you later at the House of Valentina. Bye. Ew, I don't even want to step on that carpet. Oh, God, it's gross. It's really bad.